We're ready. Check this bad boy out. There it is, 12-inch. Comes with a 5-amp battery. I use 6s. But it's got a little switch. This got the guard. Yeah. Right here, wife came out here with a hatchet thinking she was gonna be able to do this whole tree with this little axe. About 5 minutes in, I was like, you done yet? She's like, yeah, let's get a chainsaw. I will do that. Look at that, barely sweating. I mowed the whole yard. Looks good, check it out. It's kind of burned up, but I don't care. I'll put it down. There's that. And over here, it's all cleaned up. I got this growing so I can spray it. So I got all the little spots. I'm doing pretty good if this is all that's grown out of all my rocks. I have a little bit of here and there, so that's good. Still haven't done that yet. Hold the backyard. It's decent. It's doable. It's done.